Hi there, it's Lou again, aka Chinoy. We're going to have a staycation with my family here at Rendezvous Hotel. So I'll show you what a deluxe room looks like. I got a connecting room. We are at 416. Yes. So this is what it looks like with my kid. Okay. So let's turn on first the lights. Okay, so this is what it looks like. On the left side is the mirror. I haven't decided yet where will I get the lights from this, but this is the mirror. My baby. Okay. On the right side is our bathroom. So this is what a deluxe room looks like. Okay, it doesn't have a rain shower what the usual hotels do, but I'm already okay with portable, shower. Then this is the sink with interesting shape of cabinets. Okay, what else? Okay, and these are from Fresh Artistry. They're toiletries and the usual toothbrush, hair dryer. They don't have the magnifying glass. Usual toilet area. Wow, and my baby. And usual for the luggage. So this is for the connecting room. This is the door. So their TV is like, I believe 40 or 45 cm, like that, from Samsung. And this is what the bedroom looks like with my kid. It's got a king size bed, then a study table there, a side table there. We're just at the 4th floor, so we're beside the Food Republic. Yeah, it's very expensive there. That's one of the most expensive food court. But yeah, there's a lot of things going on. And below is, I believe, Bugis MRT. You can already go directly to the Marina Bay Sands. Yeah. This is how it looks like. And they even gave us a complimentary macarons. This is my 2 kids' name. Then they got sweets there, and wow, I got the card there.
And my noisy little chubby.
Yeah, and those are my 2 kids. And hang on, so we're already settling down. So below we got a mini bar. So this is what a mini bar looks like. By the way, just to let you know, mini bar is under the Deluxe Room Plus, but they ran out of connecting room. That's why I said I'm okay. We are here at the Deluxe room. I'll just pay for the mini bar and the late checkout because it's just $20. Me, I really like connecting room for my 2 kids. You see? So let's go here. Mamita, can you open this one for him? Peanuts, yeah. So this is the second room. So in the second room, it got cashew. It got 2 single beds. And the usual, got side chair, the TV. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yes. Granny. So we're already checking out, take out. You just give a bit only, the smallest one. So this is the mirror. Yeah, it's just the same. Let's see the restroom area. Yes, of course it's the same, right? Yes. So I'll show you what's behind the mirror. Sorry, because my family is now unpacking. So there's a mirror and what I call this, a drawer. So it got your usual iron board, iron, safe, bathrobe with hangers. What else here? Your usual laundry bags, shoe sponge. resting. And another cabinet there. So yes, this is the room tour of the deluxe room here at Rendezvous Hotel. So yes, for me, why we are staying here, because this is beside the Bras-Basah MRT and its central district. You can walk already to SMU, to the museums, to Bugis area, and I like it that it's convenient for all of us. So yes, that's about it. If you like room tours and staycations like us, just like and subscribe and click the bell button beside the subscribe button, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new stuff from your mobile phone. And that's about it. We see you next time on our next video. Bye bye.